If you're wondering how to send an email upon form submission in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, and we'll also compare some of the best alternatives to help you achieve your goals even more efficiently. First, let's dive straight into SuiteDash. Once you're logged into your SuiteDash account, head to the Forms section. This is where you'll manage all the forms you've created. Whether it's a contact form, an order form, or something more customized, SuiteDash allows you to set up triggers to send automated emails whenever a form is submitted. Next, click on the form you want to modify. You'll see various options for managing your form, but to get that email sent automatically, you'll want to find the Automation section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to define what happens when a user submits the form. Now, the third thing to keep in mind is the email notification setting. This is where you'll add the email addresses that should receive notifications when the form is submitted. You can send it to your admin, team members, or even to the person who filled out the form. Just make sure the email addresses are correct, as this is a crucial step to make sure your emails are going to the right place. The fourth thing you'll want to do is customize the email content. SuiteDash offers a basic email editor where you can personalize the email that gets sent out. You can add variables like the form submitter's name, email, or any other field from the form itself, which helps make the email feel more tailored and personal. Next, you'll want to test the automation. This is an important step to make sure everything is functioning as expected. Fill out the form as if you are a user and check your inbox and the inboxes of those who should be notified. If the email arrives as expected, you've set it up correctly. If not, double-check the automation and email settings. And finally, if you're still unsure or need further customization, SuiteDash also provides a way to trigger other actions, such as adding tags or sending different emails based on the form's content. But for most basic uses, the steps we've covered will get you up and running. While SuiteDash offers a powerful automation system, there are alternatives that might be better suited for sending emails upon form submissions, especially for more streamlined or advanced needs. Some of these tools offer more user-friendly interfaces, easier integrations, and better reporting features. In fact, we have an exclusive deal for you. You can get an extended free trial of SuiteDash through the link in the description, which will help you explore the features at no cost. But we also recommend checking out some of the alternatives we've mentioned, as they provide similar functionality with a more intuitive experience for sending emails based on form submissions. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out without any commitment. Make sure to check out the link in the description for the best trial offers available only to our viewers. We'll see you in the next video, where we dive deeper into automating your workflows.